y'all. Like, since this is how you wanna walk, this is how we gonna walk. Cause why would you do that and wrap around me? Huh? And see how I just tried to turn myself loose? Oh, I can't stand this little boy. I can't stand him. I can't stand him. At my dentist appointment again. These people love me, y'all. So I just got my teeth polished. So she told me that I can get whatever I want done to my teeth, and I want this tooth in the back pulled. Baby, she told me it costs $50 because my insurance cover most of it. So go on and pull this tooth, please, because it be hurting me and I don't need it anyway. So y'all know I got all 4 of my wisdom tooth pulled out. I vlogged that. It's all the way down below, but excuse me, it's a tooth, the one after my wisdom tooth, she hurt. So before I get my either braces or Invisalign, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. See, y'all, that's what I be saying about my insurance. I didn't have to pay for it out of my pocket. I have my FSA card. They pay for it. I ain't gotta pay for nothing. And then they told me, I'm so happy y'all get my teeth pulled. I already scheduled my appointment, everything. Oh, I'm so happy. Because baby, she gotta go. So they told me that I can drive myself home and like I'm not going to be put to sleep. When I got my 4 wisdom teeth taken out, baby, they put me to sleep. I could not drive myself home. My baby had to take care of me. So with this one, I was like, oh, I'm kind of nervous because, you know, I'll be here by myself. But they was like, you're going to be fine. So I'm going to make sure I have me some soup. Make sure I have some soup. Yeah. All right, let me go home so I can record another video for y'all. So this morning, I went to another doctor's appointment. And then I came here, and then this week I will have a I go to my neurologist, and I may take y'all will probably see me go in, but I'm still filming for a whole nother video with what's going on with that. So ain't no telling when y'all gonna see that. Probably next year sometime. Anyways, I love you guys so much. It's about to snow in 3 hours here, so let me get my behind home and walk cash. Woo, it's freezing. It's so freaking cold, but it's snowing. We're gonna have to see if you're gonna potty on this thing, but I know you like to cock your leg up, so maybe I should put it by the tub. Come here, Dada. Go potty. Go potty. Cause that's where you gotta potty today. It's a storm out there. Potty. Okay, well I'll leave it right there. Let me show y'all. This is my back porch. Snow. I came out here earlier, but oh, it's so cold. This is the ground. No, it's cold, ain't it? Come on. Come on. Little Florida boy. It's cold. We got to get you some snowshoes. It's snowing, Daddy. It is real deal snowing out here. You chilling? Snow fight. Come on, try it again. Potty on that. Potty. Child, let me get dressed to try to take him. I don't think it's like really hard anymore. Let me get dressed.
Just for me. Till the end of time.
Perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room.
Oh, I hope I don't slip and fall. Come on. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, almost fell. He still won't go. Come on, Daddy. Go potty. I need to get him some shoes. This is unacceptable.
Can we get it together?
Starting to fall back down.
You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it away.
Come on.
Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not.
Let's try this again. Come on. You slipping too? We sliding. We slipping and sliding, Cassie. I'm finna walk over here because, baby, I need to get the right shoes. Whew. Yeah, I'm trying to get Cass to use the bathroom. The sun is out. Go potty. Boy, come on.
Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cuffs arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary cigarette smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest color right. Just like the run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is giving fish. When I seen that dead play, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die.
Child, my lashes done came off out here. Still got to get my workout on, y'all. Even in the snow. It's the fact that I'm out here by myself. Just walking. It's so beautiful, peaceful, and I needed this. I couldn't go work out this morning, so I'm working out. Now it is 4 p.m. and I don't know, I just feel really, really good, y'all. It's cold, but it's not like, oh my goodness, freezing cold, you know? It actually feels good. I left Cash at the house just so I can, you know, take some time to myself and go for a walk. To be honest, I want some ice cream, but everything's shut down. Texas is so beautiful. Let me show y'all the view. The crazy thing is, they in the pool over there. I don't know if y'all can hear the water, but baby, in the pool, in the snow, gotta be from up north. This is just so beautiful. Baby, I'm from Florida. We don't see no snow. I'm pretty sure there will be no snow tomorrow, so we're going outside one more time so he can use the bathroom and so I can be a big kid. And then I'm gonna come in, shower, and that'll be the end of the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I don't even think I did the intro. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Drop down below what city and state that you live in or what state that you live in so I can see if it snowed in your area. I was told it snowed in Florida, so I know y'all happy. If y'all are from Florida, drop down below and leave it in the comments.
Right now, look at that real estate. God knows I wanna lay it down, but I'm chasing cake. Can't go back broke, stay on the go, that's all that's on my brain. Tell me fuck you, I hate you, then I love you, can't blame you. She said I love you, but don't trust you, can't change you. I just hope we don't end how they do, crash and burn on the shade room. Screen runner,